five blank spots, and one letter. How many ways can you arrange it?
5 blanks plus 1 letter. Yeah, 5.
You have to answer these now, okay? In otherwise, it will
Arrange
be.
Q in one of the 5 blank spots. Where Q has to be included.
I forget about that question. I have just said that like there are five blank spots I have taken, and you have to arrange the queue one letter in between these spots. Okay, how many ways can you do that? It's like a very simple
5.
answer.
5.
Five, right? Five. But still I am not convinced with the answers you are giving me. It's like I think you have to calculate, okay, I can put q in here, I can put q in here, I will put q in here, and then you are counting. Okay, obviously it's good for understanding the concept, but whenever you are asked questions like this, you have to, okay, 5p1, 5p2, 7p3. Okay, the answer should be like this. The thing has to hit in your mind, okay, here the value of n is 5, the value of r is 1. Here the value of n is 6, the value of r is 2. Okay, that is why we read those concepts like very slowly in the previous day. Okay, otherwise you will face very much difficulty. Okay, like this thing. Okay, so 5p1. All right, so now how many spots are left?
4.
Four spots are left. Okay, and how many letters are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 letters.
Not 8 letters, it's 7 letters. Okay,
1? 7, sorry.
7 letters.
I
Okay,
can't count.
now tell me, how many
7p.
ways can you fill up the 4 spots with remaining 7 letters?
7p4.
Very good. Okay, 7p4. Now obviously you understand that filling of q in one of these boxes is dependent with 7p4. That is why the answer would be 5p1 times 7p4. Okay, that would be our answer. Okay, now the next one, q must not be included. So this is very easy. Tell me, what should we do? So q won't be included. Okay, so there are 5 blank spots and 7 letters.
7p5.
7p5. Yes, 7p5. Very good. So 5 blank spots and 7 letters, that means 7p5. Okay, so you will do this at home. 7p5, and q will be included but not n. So this is also easy. So how do we do that? See, there are 5 blank spots. So obviously to include q, we have to say it will be 5p1, right? Now among the 4 blank spots, we can include any letter other than n. So how many letters can we include?
1, 2, 3, 7.
No, actually 7, in 7 we cannot include n. Okay,
Oh,
right?
6.
6. So that means 6p4, right? Total number of
Yes.
element, and you have to multiply them. So will you be able to do these maths? I mean, if you practice them, it will be like very easy for you if you understand the question or the language. But if you don't keep on practicing them, things will become difficult. Okay. All right. All right. Now a few more problems. It was like at the very beginning, but I'm giving it to you now. Okay. So write down the question. The question is, okay, I think I, so the question is mathematics. Um, so arrange mathematics, 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 keeping the vowels together. Vowels together. Okay, do it. I won't do it.
11 letters,
Yes, total of 11 letters. Yes.
4 vowels.
Four vowels.
So it'll be 8 factorial
Mm-hmm.
over 2 factorial times 4 factorial.
Okay, I see your intent. That is correct, but you have missed some details. Okay, let me just write down the like letters separately, then you will understand. So there are two M's, there are two
Oh,
A's, there are two T's. Okay,
yeah, I forgot. Okay,
all right,
8
and
factorial over 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial times the whole thing by 4 factorial.
right, exactly. Okay, so you have understood
There
this.
you go.
All right. So obviously we have to consider say I, E, and these two A to be one thing, right? So I, E, and these two A to be one thing. All right. Okay.
Yes.
And the there is left. Okay. What are the other letters? Let me check as well. Now the other letters M, M, then T, T, H, C, S, and HCS. Yes, okay, that's it. That's about it. All right. So now there are a total of 8 things. So 8 factorial over, as you said, 2 m's, that is 2 factorial, then 2 factorial. Okay. So we are. It might seem like it is done, but see, we have A, I, and E. Okay. So they can get arranged among themselves, right? Okay, we have to consider them one thing, but they can be arranged among themselves. So that is why that is 4 factorial and 2 a's together, that is 2 factorial. Okay, so that will be the answer. So very important math in our curriculum. Okay, all right. So and okay, let's see more maths. See more maths, more maths, more maths. Can I find maths in your book as well?
If you'd like to, yes.
No, I mean, yes, I'm not saying I don't like to. I'm saying that is there in problems like these? That is what I'm saying. There should
I
be.
mean,